you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. For today's video, I went ahead and I recreated the infamous Kendall Jenner sleek back bun tutorial. I've been seeing this look going around a lot with like these bigger like models, and I was like, I really want to try it. I did try it a couple times and I could not figure it out at all, and I finally figured it out. What was hard for me was trying to get like this line going down the center of the hair, because I've seen that when they do their buns, it tends to have that little line going down the center. So I finally figured it out, you guys, and what's so exciting is that I didn't use any hairspray, and I'm so excited because I do not like hairspray. I hate how it's like hard and crunchy, and for this look, you guys, I figured out how to do it without any hairspray. So that's exciting. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you guys do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. If not, that's cool, it's fine. But other than that, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right in and learn how to do Kendall Jenner's sleek back bun tutorial. The first thing that I'm going to do, you guys, is go ahead and just brush my hair. My hair is kind of wet because I did just take a shower, and I feel like for this tutorial, if you do have wet hair, I think it's going to look way better and easier to do, actually, instead of it being like all big and puffy and having the hair fly everywhere. So if your hair is wet, I would recommend that for this hair tutorial. So just go ahead and just brush out all your hair first. Now I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down in the middle. I'm using a comb. If you guys don't have a comb like this, what you guys can do instead is use a bobby pin. That actually also works and is definitely efficient for parting down your hair in the middle. So what I'm going to take, you guys, is playa oil. And I'm going to put some on the palm of my hands and then just rub it on the tops of my hair. And what this does is it really helps basically bring down all the little flyaways and the little baby hairs, and also makes the top of my hair look super duper smooth. And then whatever's remaining, go ahead and apply it on the bottom or ends of your hair, just like that. Next, what I'm going to do is take 2 rubber bands. I take 2 just because I have a lot of hair. If you do have more thinner hair, it's fine if you use 1 rubber band, but I use 2 just to make sure it like holds my hair really tight. So all we're going to do is just go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail first. So go ahead and tie your hair in a ponytail as you would normally do, using any brush to really just flatten out your hair. For this part, make sure that you're pulling the hair upwards, so not down, but more so upwards. And also this kind of helps pull your eyes out a little bit. So see how I'm pulling the hair upwards? Go ahead and do that for this part, but just make sure that you're not pulling too high, because then it kind of messes up the line right here, and that's not what we want. So from here, pull upwards, and then from here kind of just bring it downwards. And now what's best, you guys, is I'm going to go ahead and switch out to a brush like this, and this like really helps smooth out everything. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I know for this part's a little bumpy, but we're just gonna use our hands to smooth that out. Let me just look at the mirror really quickly. If you guys have a lot of hair, you know the struggle of basically tying your hair in a ponytail. It's so hard, especially trying to get the third wrap around the hair. It's like literally, like, look, you guys are gonna see, like, I'm struggling. Now, what we're gonna do, you guys, is take the remainder of your hair and take that oil, and we are going to dab some in and really get in there. And what you want to do is go ahead and twist the hair. It's gonna be a little hard, but like dab some, especially on the ends, and then twist the hair. And this oil is really going to help out bring the hair completely together. And then what we're going to do, you guys, we're just going to go ahead and wrap this wrap all of this in like a circle. You guys can see. And then I'm going to take two bobby pins, two hair ties, and just wrap or tie / secure the hair in. Okay. So next what we're going to do is take more of that hair oil, you guys. And this is the part, you guys, where I was talking about, where I do not need to use any more hairspray. This hair oil, you guys, really helps mold the hair in. And as you can see, it looks shiny, it looks nice, it looks smooth. And honestly, you guys, when you take your hair down, it goes back to normal. So that's really, really nice. Now, as you can see, like, we do have a couple like little hair sticking out, which that's normal. So just take like a bobby pin, and then whatever part you see that sticks out, go ahead and just, you know, bobby pin that. Now this next step, you guys, is completely optional. You can leave your hair like this and you are ready to go. It looks something like this. This step is optional for baby hairs. What I like to do is I like to take an old toothbrush, and I only use, not an old toothbrush, but I use this toothbrush only for my hair, like my little baby hairs. And then taking Eco Tools hair gel, and it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and just take some on the brush, kind of rub it in my hand because I don't want too much. Oh, that was a lot. Okay. And then what I like to do is just take a little bit of your hair, the baby hairs. So this is optional, and it's only if you like it like that. So then, I don't know if you guys can see the difference. It's kind of like, oh, okay, I don't have a big ass forehead anymore. And then if there's like this side sleeked back, and then this side with the little baby hairs. And if you have a big forehead like me, this is perfect for you. And then we can just do the other side too, just in case. And then you do get like all these little hairs popping out. Just take that gel with the toothbrush and then just brush that in. And then you're done! That is the end, you guys. It was super duper easy, simple, yet so trendy, and like all these models have this type of hair. Go ahead and try it out, you guys. Tag me on Instagram so I can go ahead and see your recreations. Tag me at Young Couture. But other than that, you guys, this is the end of the tutorial. The hair looks something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.